Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds or HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then click at the search at the right bottom. Now click at the search line if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, if you have previous version like iOS 18 at the top. Now write AI Life and search. And you should install the application what called HUAWEI AI Life. Now open it. Select your region, but I don't recommend it to use United States because you may have connection instability with this region. So select something else, then click Next, Next, Agree, then click at the plus while using the app. Hello, hello. And that's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the app, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!